Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline. It will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, today we got for you very important thing in that video. So make sure to watch everything. Don't try to skip nothing. That for the benefit of you, but it's up to you. By the way, you, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it on. Also, like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is down in the description of that video, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So as you see, the daily candle here, it's finished, which is that one, that nice pin bar here. Let's zoom it together and we see all those things together. As you see it, that nice pin bar here. That one, was it indicating? It's indicating that level here. Forget about the past, forget about everything. Look at that candle here. That one here, that pin bar here, that one. If you came to the tail of it and you draw in like that, a level like that, you see it or no? That level here, it's still very stronger here. We couldn't break it down. That man, the bulls or people, they don't want the Bitcoin to fall down and don't break that 27k. This still powerful till now, because if you are a forex trader, you see the US dollar, it's going very sharply up. Today we are 104, we are coming there, but here it's showing as if it's going to go up, guys. What should we do now here at that level here? I show you everything I told you like that when we came to that one. And we doing the 2 moving averages like that. We said that one here is the 100 moving average, that red one here as you see it. And that candle here, that red candle here, it's breaking the 100 moving average, and 100 moving average historical, it's been a very stronger support when we are going up and when we are falling down, and very rare when we break it, it fall down, guys. Now what should we do? That candle here, we came here, what it's indicating? It doesn't indicate nothing. We need today candle, what is going to tell us. If it came a red candle here like that, it's going to give us here a continuation pattern. If it came here a green candle like that, is going to give us here a very well-known pattern, and we're going to go back up, guys. Till now, us we still in a consolidation level. There is nothing now, as you see it. Investors, they still waiting was going to come from USA, and they still waiting the news was going to come. Us, we doing our analysis before. We buy 20% from here, because over here is the 50 moving average. Now we break it down here. Now here at the 100, me, I don't want to buy. Me, I'm still waiting from here. At the 200 moving average at 24k, I'm going to buy 50% from my capital. Why 50%? If it fall down more, I'm going to still have cash to buy more, guys. Till now, I'm still waiting that correction where it's going to end up. Everything is too clear, and we got here another stronger level here at 24k. That one here. Even that one, you need to be focused about it. The Bitcoin is going to fall down, and I'll tell it that to you. Bitcoin is go slowly when it's falling, but when it's going up, it go by power. Yes, also here in the weekly, in the 200 moving average, we're showing here a very stronger support here. So we need to look even at that one, but me, I analyze the weekly candle when the weekly candle finished. So till now there is nothing here. And if you remember last Friday, what me I told you here about the options, I came and I do it like that. Yes or no, people, they've been with us the last Friday. Also, we put in that 2 levels here. We said the Bitcoin is going to stay between that 2 levels. Until now, the Bitcoin is showing it's staying between that 2 levels. We been here last Friday, and that's what it's showing. The Bitcoin is staying here sideways till now. So those people, they know what they're doing. They are not dumb. That way, us, we put in for you those 2 levels here every Friday. And make sure to watch today's video when the daily candle finishes. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see the coming news for today. For pictures get more clear to you, so let's go in there. The coming news for today, and today we got a very special day, guys. Today is a very special day. You need to be focused about it. What the data here is going to tell us. That one here, the core PCI or inflation indicator. Today, Germany official they enter a recession. That one here is going to tell us what US economic is doing till now. If the Fed is going to pause in June or they are going to hike more interest rate in June. That's what we have been telling you all those days, the past days. And that why is it very emergency update because of that news here. That one here is very important, guys. You need to be focused about it tomorrow and don't try to open any trade at that time. 12:30 GMT time. Everything is too clear. And what we got else here? Our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. What it's telling us here? Look with me here. Today, US stocks, they're going up. Yes or no? After yesterday, that pin bar, we go up. Should we enter long here in the US stocks? No, we don't need to enter long. Why? Because till now, that McCarthy and Joe Biden, they haven't reached to a deal for debt selling. So there is nothing yet. All that because the Nvidia stock, it went up today. Yes or no, guys? Another thing here, look at it, is the VIX. The VIX today, it's breaking below 20. Why? Because the Fed, what they saying? They are not going to increase interest rate in June. But that dependent of the inflation data coming today. If it came negative, you're going to see that one jump up above 20. If it not, it's going to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear. Plus, look at the US dollar here. You see it or no? That's what me I told you. It's break 104. That's something very bad for world economic. The US dollar is still going up. They need to do something about it. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what me I told you. In the last video, I told you we got here a flag. Very clear flag here. Look at that. Very clear flag. You see it or no? That, the flag. The flag is a continuation pattern. We just bring in that level here and we will put it here, like that. And it's going to fall down till 24K. Should we enter short now? No, we don't got nothing here. Till now telling us we need to enter short. Us we still here stuck in that 200 moving average in the weekly. We haven't break it down. People they watching our weekly analysis, they know what us we talking about. Till now we haven't breaking that weekly down. If we break in here, we're going to fall down. That 26K here is the last defense, guys. Now at that level, by the way, some people they told me you're going to miss the opportunity. Me, I got Bitcoin, a buy from here. I show it to you, a buy from here, like that. A buy when we're breaking that wage here. Stop loss of me is it down here. I tell it to you. And I enter a short here when we're breaking that triangle here, that one here. When we break in here, I enter short. Top loss of me is it up here. So till now me, I got 2 orders. The long one stop loss of it here. The short one stop loss of it here. So from that level, me I got a feeling it telling me from that level here, we're going to see either a big bounce or a big falling down. That way me I buy a long and a short. And I'm still waiting where is the market is going to go. Everything is too clear, guys. And another thing here, that channel here. I show it to you before. That one here, I show it to you. We touched the lower here. Now we couldn't come down to touch the lower of it again. That means that level here, it's still very stronger level here. Now either from here, we're going to go back up and also we're going to benefit from that. And now here, look with me here. You came to that one here and that one here and you try to connecting them by a line like that. What you got? A downtrend. Forget about any other price action because we can make another price action here. We can make now here like that, a triangle like that. You see it or no? But also we focus it just about that one here, that top one here. If we break in here, that means also we need to enter long. That for the people they haven't entered with us. If we breaking down here, that means also we need to enter short, guys. So make a close eye at that one. What me I'm talking about. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying here. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, he couldn't give us here another low, but we got something very important here. Look with me here, guys. If you came to that one here, and you're drawing a line like that, is it here? Yes or no? And the one where we are today, is it here? And is it here? What it telling you? What that telling you? Look with me, just by your eye. And we came, we're doing a line like that. You see that line? And we came here to that one here, and we're doing a line. That two here, they are a horizontal line. Over here, it's going up. So what that meant? We got here a divergence. Over here in that place, the bears, they being powerful. Now, the bears, they are not powerful. Yes or no? So what we got a divergence here. Very clear divergence we got here. Now, what should we do here at that level where we are? Here, at that level where we are. I just show you the price action. The price action I show you, you wait it. Price action I show you, we got there a triangle like that very clear triangle. If it's getting broke up here, you enter long, and it's need that indicator of us here to break here. That's meant to come out from the bear market to the bull market. That's the only thing you can do till now. Just waiting where we're going to break in that triangle and that zone which is here. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying here. Even here, we got the same divergence. You see it or no? You came here and here. You came, you're doing the same divergence we got here. Now what should we do here? I just show you the price action. The price action you got now, which is that one here. That triangle here. As you see it, very clear triangle here. That one, number one. You got another price action here, which is that flag here. And me, I will focus about that flag now more than that triangle. Why that flag more than the triangle? I'm going to tell you. That flag here, it give me here is a distribution level. That means also we are in a zone where is those people, the enter shop, they need to find people to buy from them. And I'm going to wait in when we are going to break here long, or us to enter long, or we are going to break down. I'm going to enter short. Till now, I'm still waiting what's going to happen here in that distribution level here. What's going to happen, guys? Everything is too clear. And even you, that's my advice to you. Even you do the same thing. Come here to those ones. Drawing here a line in the top because that level here is very stronger. We need to break it for us to enter long, and down here to those tails of those ones here, and you waiting where we are going to break. Either we break down here, we enter short, or we are going to break up, we enter long. Till now, don't enter any swing trade, just enter scalp in those days. Everything is very clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you, yes, you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up, so please go ahead, do it. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, people with me here in 30 minutes, they make very nice profit with me here. Here, we used to have here a flag like that. It's getting broke here. We enter short till down here. In the last video, being here, down exactly. Then the market tried to fall down till down here at that level. And look what the market giving you here now. Look with me here what I'm going to show you. Here in 30 minutes, you need to enter long, guys. Here, what you got here? You got a very clear head and shoulder. Look with me. That's the first shoulder. That's the head. That's the second shoulder. Yes or no? What is the neckline? The neckline, which is here, is getting broke. Yes, look at it. It's getting broke here. Shall we enter long now? Yes, of course. You can enter long from here. Stop loss in 30 minutes, just put it here, or you can even put it here. Another thing very important here in 30 minutes, you need to be focused about it. That level here. Look with me here. You came here, you drawing here a trend line. That one here, you need to be focused about it if we are going to break it here, or here, take the profit. Another thing for the short, not for the long, for the short, what we got here. Look with me here. You came like that, and you came like that. What you got here? A very clear triangle. If we break it down here, you can enter short again. Here, you already enter long because of the head and the shoulder. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator is telling us we enter here to the overbought area. But also we are coming from an oversold area and on a very stronger level. That's why I told you need to enter long. And I just show you if the market done something like that and breaking down here, you can enter short, guys. If it market break down here, you can enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. So That's it for that video, and please guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.